So imagine there is Gojo, and there are 3 German soldiers. He can just slowly walk to them, make a frickin' hollow purple and slime all of them, leaving the rest of the army in shock. But imagine there is Gojo, alone facing the painter's whole army. Is it really that simple? Or could a massive 20th century military force actually find a way to stop him? Today, we are going to find out the realistic answer to this ultimate battle. To understand how this fight would actually play out, we first need to look at how their powers collide. Let us start with the painter's army and their massive arsenal of artillery, tanks, and heavy gunfire. On paper, millions of soldiers with heavy weaponry seem unstoppable against just one man. But Akutami created Gojo with a physics-defying defense that changes everything. This is his famous technique called infinity, which acts as an invisible barrier around his body. When a bullet or an artillery shell is fired at Gojo, it does not actually hit a physical wall. Instead, it enters a space where it infinitely slows down the closer it gets to him, until it basically stops in the air. This means no matter how many thousands of guns are firing at once, not a single bullet can ever touch him. But what about massive explosions or chemical weapons like poison gas, which were feared in that era? Even these would fail because Gojo can automatically filter everything coming through his barrier on an atomic level. He can easily block harmful gases and heat, while letting oxygen pass through without even thinking about it. So the painter's army realizes their attacks are doing absolutely zero damage, and now it is Gojo's turn to strike. He does not even need to use his maximum power right away to cause absolute chaos. With his blue technique, he can create a high-pressure vacuum that drags heavy tanks and soldiers together, crushing them instantly. If they try to surround him, he can release red, which is a massive repulsive force that acts like a localized bomb, blowing entire divisions away. And if he wants to end the battle quickly, he combines them into purple to literally erase entire military bases from existence. But his most terrifying weapon is his domain expansion called Unlimited Void. With this, he does not even need to physically attack the soldiers. By trapping them in his domain, he forces infinite information into their brains, causing their minds to completely freeze. Within seconds, tens of thousands of soldiers would fall into a catatonic state, unable to move or think. So while it looks like an army of millions against one man, the harsh reality is that traditional military power is completely useless here. Gojo Satoru would walk away from this historic clash without a single scratch on his uniform.